A good way to relax is to do fun activities with your friends. Today, I'm going to do jet ski. I am here in the Mina Fish Market in Abu Dhabi, in the Capital Gate Company's jet ski rental division. And we are going to do jet ski for 1 hour. Capital Gate provides all sorts of fun activities and entertainment, like jet ski rentals. A jet ski this size, you can rent it for 250 dirhams per hour. And you can drive it around the Corniche and the Mina Fish Market. It's so much fun. So let's do it. Bravo! So, how can we use it?
This one is start.
This is start button, huh?
Start button. This one is stop.
Stop button, okay.
Stop. This one gas.
This one gas, okay.
This one reverse.
Huh?
This one for reverse.
Reverse?
Yes.
Okay.
And this one key. Maybe you fall down. This one remote. Stop the engine. This one for emergency key.
Ah, if you fall down, okay.
Yes, fall down. This one key.
So don't fall down, huh? You got it?
Hopefully not.
Yeah, so this
Drink
is
water.
start,
Stop.
stop,
Gas.
gas,
Reverse.
reverse.
And this key for emergency.
This fall down.
Yes.
No, inshallah, no fall down.
Okay.
Wait, I say prayer. بسم الله الذي لا يضر مع اسمه شيء في الأرض ولا في السماء وهو السميع العليم. يلا توكلنا على الله. Try to go faster! Faster! Wait! Faster! Faster! Wow! Amazing! Woo! Wow! 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 Amazing! Water sports are the best. Enjoy the Corniche view. Wait. Oh my God! Come on, go faster! This is Lulu Island. It's a desertic island facing the Corniche, where people, after they run the jet ski, they can come here and swim. Especially ladies, there is nobody here. Oh! How do you turn it off? From here. You remember how you turn it off? Huh? We can swim here.
You wanna swim?
Yes, we have to swim. Look at the water. Wow. This is Lulu Island. Have you been to Lulu Island before? Woo! But be careful. I don't want the jet ski to run away. Take it inside the sand a little bit, you know? Wow. So I recommend to everyone to rent a jet ski from Capital Gate Company for at least 1 hour, and then come to the Lulu Island right next to the Corniche and enjoy a nice and refreshing swim all by yourself in your own private little island. No one here to bother you. Amazing. Let's go swim. So peaceful.